Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Conversations. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Today we want to talk about two important things: stress and relaxation.
Yes, stress and relaxation. These are big words, but the ideas are simple. We will speak slowly and clearly for you.
Let's start with stress. Maya, what is stress?
Stress is when you feel worried, or when you have too much to do. You feel a little bad, not happy.
That's right. For example, maybe you have a big test at school, many things to study. You feel stress.
Or maybe you have a very busy day at work. Many emails, many calls. You feel tired, you feel stress.
Yes, or maybe there is a lot of noise, loud music, loud people. This can also make you feel stress.
How does stress feel in your body, Leo?
When I feel stress, my head sometimes hurts. I feel tired even if I sleep. Sometimes I feel a little angry or sad.
Yes, me too. Sometimes it's hard to sleep when I have stress. My mind thinks too much.
So stress is not a good feeling. It makes us tired and sometimes sick.
But don't worry, everyone feels stress sometimes. It's normal. The important thing is to know how to relax.
Relaxation. That sounds nice. Maya, what is relaxation?
Relaxation is when you feel calm. You have no worries. Your body is not tight. Your mind is quiet.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. When I relax, I feel happy. I feel fresh, like new.
Me too. It's a very good feeling, and there are many easy ways to relax. What do you do to relax, Leo?
I like to listen to music. Quiet music, slow music. It makes my mind calm. Sometimes I close my eyes.
That's a very good idea. I also like music. Sometimes I listen to nature sounds like rain or birds. It helps me relax.
What else do you do, Maya?
I like to read a book. A good story takes my mind away from worries. I sit in a comfortable chair, maybe with a cup of tea.
Reading is good. I also like to walk outside, in a park, or by the river. Seeing green trees, feeling the sun. It makes me happy.
Yes, walking in nature is wonderful for relaxation. The fresh air, the quiet, it's very good for your body and your mind.
Some people like to do hobbies, like drawing, or painting, or gardening. Doing something you love can help you relax a lot.
And sometimes, just talking to a good friend can help. Sharing your feelings, laughing, this can be very relaxing.
Or even simple things, like taking a warm bath or a long shower. Or just sitting quietly and breathing slowly, deep breaths.
All these things help us relax. But why is relaxation so important, Leo?
It's important because it helps us to be healthy. When we relax, our body rests. Our mind rests. We get more energy.
Yes, if you don't relax, you can feel tired all the time. You can get sick easily. Relaxation helps us think clearly too.
Exactly. After relaxing, you can do your work better. You can study better. You feel happier.
So it's not just about doing nothing. It's about taking care of yourself. It's about being kind to your body and your mind.
That's a very important point, Maya. We must remember to relax even when we are busy.
So, to summarize our talk today, we all feel stress sometimes. It's normal. But it's very important to find ways to relax.
Yes, relaxation helps your body and mind. It makes you feel happy and strong. Try listening to music, reading, walking, or just breathing slowly.
Find what makes you feel calm and peaceful. Make time for it every day, even for a few minutes.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Conversations. We hope this talk helps you understand stress and relaxation a little better.
Yes, and we hope you find some good ways to relax today. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.